And welcome back to 17 News at 5. New at 5:30 tonight, both sides have finished closing arguments, and the case of Bayant Dillon is now in the hands of a jury. Dillon is the Bakersfield woman accused of drowning her teen daughter's newborn grandson to avoid the shame the pregnancy would have brought to the family in the Sikh community. Now, 17's Jason Katowski has been following this case from the onset. He was in the courtroom today and has more about today's proceedings. What did the defense say in its closing arguments today?
Well, defense attorney David A. Torres said Dillon never harmed the child. He said the prosecution has focused the bulk of its case on her confession, but he said that was a false confession that Dillon gave police in an effort to protect her husband and nephew from getting in trouble. Those two, she testified, were the ones who buried the baby's body. Both were in the country illegally, and Torres said Dillon was afraid of what would happen to them if she didn't take the blame. As for how the child died, Torres said it's unknown, but there are a number of possibilities. The mother received no prenatal care, so the baby may not have been healthy. He could have bled to death because his umbilical cord wasn't tied off after being severed. And Torres noted that the nephew, who was the child's father, was left alone with the baby while Dillon cleaned her daughter in another room. Torres said there are cultural issues at play in this case and issues with Dillon being an abused woman, but prosecutor John Allen has said the case is actually very simple. He told the jury Dillon confessed because when confronted by police with the terrible act of killing a child, her guilt overwhelmed her and she finally told the truth. Allen told the jury to ignore the story she gave them during trial and that at this point she's lying to try to avoid life behind bars.
All right, Jason, closing arguments took about a day and a half now.
Yes.
When did the jury get the case today?
The jury got the case at about 1:50 p.m. The judge gave a couple final instructions to them, and then a bailiff led them to the back. Now, one of the jurors was excused early today due to a medical-related issue, I should say, and an alternate was put in play. There are now 3 other alternates just in case another juror is dismissed. And at this point, they're going to continue deliberating. They resume tomorrow at 9 a.m. Today they had about roughly, including the break, it would have been about an hour and 45 minutes to deliberate today.
All right, this is a case about a clash of cultures and a family shame in that context, and I know that a lot of people are following this case, and you'll have it for us when that verdict comes in.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
Jason Katowski, thanks for the update. Appreciate it.